Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create multiple TikTok shops, TikTok shop tutorial. So let's get started. So here we are in TikTok shop, and if you're wondering on how you can do this, and knowing that you cannot create multiple TikTok shops under one name or one security number or EIN and so on. So the only work around this so that you could create more TikTok shops is basically here. So when you search here, you would find the answer. So we go into google.com and search for this one, and you can see you can have one TikTok shop per social security number, and you can have one TikTok shop per EIN number. So you can just create an LLC and get multiple EINs as many as you need, and then from there you can create multiple shops. So that is the only known workaround on this one right here, and this is legal, so this won't get you some strikes or get you banned from TikTok or whatsoever. So this is the only way that you can do this. So you can just create an LLC and get multiple EINs and register that under the name of your shop, and then you should be all good. Even if they have the same addresses, it should be all good as long as they don't have the same EIN or SSN. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.